So before you enjoy this video, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, and lifestyle. You will always be entertained on my channel. So yeah, let's start this video.
Ain't got shit on me, cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
I have the foot-long steak and cheese.
Thank you.
Mother's daughter.
Oh, yeah. How beautiful.
Thank you.
Y'all have the same features.
Really?
There. Good morning, guys. We're doing a pop-up in Long Beach. We had to get some snacks, and of course you guys know I'm gonna win the lottery one day. This is it. This is the winning ticket.
She's supposed to be getting change.
You're supposed to get
That's what she
change.
comes out with.
You guys know me. So we got some snacks because you guys know at pop-ups the food is overpriced. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm sorry. So we get our own snacks and we got some Subway. So the thing is, TikTok made me get this one. They said add bacon to a turkey sandwich.
And she don't even eat bacon.
I do eat bacon sometimes, turkey bacon. Alright, so we need to find the address. What's the address?
I sent it to you.
You just sent me the link. You sent me like the...
I don't know how to do it.
Or read it off. So thank God this event is not like an early event. Usually we have to leave the house at 8 o'clock at other events. This one was, you know, smooth. This is the right sandwich. Yeah.
Just got all that mess on me.
I'm gonna take take a little few bites because we didn't eat this morning, and then we're gonna go. This is it. Yeah, I like this.
With the bacon?
Mm-hmm.
You know you want more bites. I'm going to take a bite. It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, so cute.
Yeah, yeah. It's good.
Keep it unwrapped a little so it won't get soggy.
I know. She got something else. She didn't get the same thing I got.
I like Subway.
That guy that was in the liquor store, he was talking to me, asking if we were sisters. His breath smelled like liquor.
I already drunk.
And he already drank. He's buying 2 more bottles. And it's like, what, 9 o'clock in the morning? It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Stop it with business.
Okay. I'm gonna mind my business. He might be on vacation.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. That was good. So, you guys know every video I say is gonna be an amazing day because it's gonna be an amazing day. I'm so blessed. I know. Don't judge me, guys. I'm drinking my Rockstar. We're gonna have a lot to do. We have to unload all this. And I always keep straws in my car. I hope you guys do consider subscribing to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, lifestyle. It's kind of bent. Yeah, you always be entertained on my channel. And I'm always on live too, so subscribe to, oh, I said subscribe, I'm getting everything mixed up. Go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I need to be popping on both of those. Ooh, so good. All right, let's go. Really, all of my business. I didn't see them. They was staring at me.
Tell them about what's coming up next.
The next event. Oh, our next event is you talking about in June? Our event that we're doing. Okay, so you guys know we're the pop-up queens. We do pop-ups every week. This time we're doing our own pop-up, guys. and it's a lot. It's not even stressful because we have 2 business partners now, so we're dividing all the tasks, but it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be good.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. I don't want to talk too much about it because we have so much other stuff going on before that event. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off because you guys know I need to focus, but I'm gonna see you guys when we get to Long Beach. Rushing me, and we're an hour early.
You know I don't like not.
We got food trucks.
They just come up and do what they want to do.
Taking up 2 parking. Here, we're actually really early. The event, we don't supposed to be here till 11:45. She rushed me, make the meeting. We're late. We're actually early. So the event is behind us. We don't walk over. So they have everything set by time. So we are group 3. We don't unload until 11:45. And there's no parking already, so that's why we have to park across the street. Yeah, so we'll walk over there. She wants to walk over there. You want to see
where we gonna be set up at? Where do we go? I just like to be in the loop.
And I just posted a video on YouTube and TikTok, so. The city of Long Beach. Okay guys, so we found our spot. We asked her, can we move a little bit in the sun? She let us. So yeah, everybody is still setting up, and she letting us set up early. I like that. It's a lot of clothes vendors. It's fine. We're gonna make the best of this event. Let's get the car. My mom, she's holding our spot, and I'm gonna go get the car and go. We have to go that way. I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Hey guys, we have 30 minutes to unload everything, and this is the line.
They want to hear that.
I'm sorry, they staring at me. They mad. All right.
I wish you put that down. Or can we move up? Over a little. You're not in our lap.
The tent?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, way back, you mean?
Oh, right here.
Okay guys, so we unloaded everything now. Oh, I'm looking dewy. I have to put my hair up. It was, you know, unloading everything is a lot, guys. So we just found a parking spot. It costs $16 to park here. Yeah, that's a lot. All right, so we're about to go back. My mom is there. Hopefully everything's set up. Well, I know it's not gonna be set up. So it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day.
Tell me. You be able to grab the bag like this? Or you accidentally put the kids' purses over here.
Well, okay. No,
This is the purse section.
that's right.
Alright.
Thank you. Our ring watches are everything, guys. I'm in love. I talk about these every time we do a pop. I always bring up our ring watches. It brings me back into when I was a child. My mom bought me when I was a kid, and so I'm like, it's okay, it's okay. We made a few sales. I'm so grateful. You guys already know I'm grateful all the time. So we're about to walk around because you guys know the routine. I always show you guys other people's setup. I think I should start from, I don't know where's the beginning or the end, but the food's down here. So let's go this way, and then I'm gonna show you guys everybody else's setup, so you guys can get ideas if you guys want to do pop-ups or what. So let's see. Okay, I guess this is the end. I don't know if this is the end or the beginning, but this is how it looks. It looks kind of cool. There's vendors everywhere on both sides. It's cute or whatever. It's not clothes vendors. I like her setup. It's like a color theme. Lingerie. Okay. Oh, that dress is cute. I'm here for it. They're selling sage.
You cry, you're wrong. So.
Oh yeah, the water bottles. Look. Okay. Crocs. Jewelry. This is us. I like how it looks on the tree. Interesting. Somebody got that same dress down there. So. That's cute. It looks like he bent to go to the stove. for more people. It was, you know, we made sales in the morning. Well, still kind of early. As soon as we set up, we made a few sales, and now it's a nice full of people, but I don't see them shopping. Okay, so she's buying the African necklace set. Well, actually just the necklace, not the set. Our cute little bags. You can get these from. Yes. So just give me the necklace right here, okay? We have more stuff online, okay? Alright. I give you some free samples in there. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys. Mama. Oh, shit, on me on camera. You don't got camera?
No.
We need a testimony.
You don't do.
When you do a testimony,
Of what?
an experience.
Here? No.
Alright, she don't want to
It
talk.
looks horrible. Let me see. Is it live?
No, it's not live.
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording. Oh my god, that's fun. But anyway, we just ate. This is okay. You don't like it?
Horrible.
It's alright. We had a hot dog. I didn't like the hot dog. She liked the hot dog.
I don't like the juice. She like the juice.
Yeah, the juice is kind of good. It's alright. But yeah, anyway, we're still waiting. It's still kind of early. This is over at 9 o'clock. Waiting for customers. So yeah. This is what we got from Cold Stones. I got the show her mama. I don't know. I don't know the name. The strawberry. Apple pie something. Just try it. Ooh, it's messy.
You don't tag them?
Yeah.
Sugar. That's sugar.
Okay, where you get it? One out of 10.
7.
Okay, that's a fair number. This is what they don't tell you about doing pop-ups, and it is just waiting for customers. Yeah, this is like the hard part. But I take advantage of this time. Usually I create content or do something about, you know, showing our products, but unfortunately my phone has died. So now I'm charging it, so once I get the full charge, we're back in. Okay, I don't know why you're laughing at me. I guess it's weird when you see people talking to a camera, it's kind of weird. But I'm used to laughter, I'm used to people staring at me, I'm used to it now. So, still waiting. It's a nice little flow of, I feel like they just walk out, I feel like they're shopping. Yeah. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We had an amazing time. We sold so much stuff. We made some new content, new customers, all that, guys. Yeah, it's been late. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.